Use will for future actions and use would for past, polite, or imagined situations. Number one, I blank go to school tomorrow. Which fits better here? The action is planned for tomorrow, so it hasn't happened yet. That points us to the future, so the correct choice is will. Read it with me. I will go to school tomorrow. Number two, she blank help me if I ask. Now, this one is a bit different. She hasn't helped yet, but we are imagining she might help. That's exactly when we use would. So the answer is she would help me if I ask. Number three, they blank visit us if they could. Okay, here comes the tricky one. They might visit, but it depends on something imaginary or hypothetical. This is a kind of situation where would fits perfectly. They would visit us if they could. Number four, he blank be happy with that gift. Imagine the scene. Maybe he hasn't seen it yet, but we think about how he might react. That's another classic would moment. He would be happy with that gift. Nice work visualizing it. Number five, we blank see a movie tonight. Alright, here we are back to the future. The movie is planned for tonight, so we confidently use will. We will see a movie tonight. Again, remember, will talks about future actions, and would is used for past, polite, or imagined situations. Now it's your turn. Try the extra exercise on your own and check the answer later. I'm Nelson, and don't worry if you mix up will and would, because practicing is how you would become fluent, right? I'll see you next time. Bye.